Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix runtime error on Windows 10 or 11. So firstly click on start. Now here type cmd. Right click on command prompt, run as administrator. Now here type this command line sfc space slash scan now. Now press enter. Now wait for a few minutes till this scanning will complete. And once guys this scanning will complete, you have to close and restart. So this is a basic and quick way to fix and resolve runtime error on Windows 10 or 11. Thanks for watching and please comment this method work for you or not.